Here is the PoE transceiver. Again, follows the exact same pre-wire, single strand of fiber, an 18.2. Okay. Other side, just like our transceiver, your standard RJ45, and then your status lights. As an integrator, it was always difficult to then make sure you had the toolkit, making sure the technicians had the toolkit to test everything. We wanted to avoid that and do that by incorporating the testing into the device. So when you hook up power, when you hook up fiber, when you hook up your RJ45, you get your status lights right here, telling you if everything is online and ready to go, making the installs faster and easier. The form factor was also engineered by integrators for integrators, small enough so that it could fit up through the hole into a soffit, up above the lid, in the wall behind a touch panel, to make the install very, very flexible.